Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Adobe After Effects animation course. In previous class, we talked about what the keyframes are and how to use them for making animations. In today's class, we will talk about different types of keyframes and how to use graphs to smooth the animation. So there are many types of keyframes, but we will use mostly these four types of keyframes. The first type is linear, then ease in, then ease out, then easy ease. We will talk about what these are in detail now. So by default, the linear keyframes being shown by this diamond icon. You can see this. This diamond icon is indicate that this keyframe is linear. So if you see this line, you can see these small dots. These small dots are the frames of this video. Distance between these dots indicates the speed of this object to move from one point to the other point. The more distance, the more speed, the less distance, the less speed. So if you play this animation, you can see all the circles are being moved from one point to other at the same speed and they reach the point B at the same time. So linear keyframe is the most basic keyframe. Then we will talk about easy ease, how to change this linear keyframe into easy ease. So you select these keyframes, right click it and go to keyframe assistant, and from here you can choose easy ease in, or you can press shift F9. You see easy ease in icons are changed. This arrow icon show that this keyframe is ease in. You can also see that the distance between these dots is changed. From start the distance is more and from the end the distance is less. That means from start the speed will be high and at the end the speed will be slow. So we will play this animation now and you can see the difference. So you see this circle move in start fast and then at the end it slow down. All the circles are reaching the end point at the same time, but if you see at 1 second, this circle is ahead the other circles because till now the distance between these dots is high. This is why it is high speed. At the end, distance is low, so the total frames are 60 because in 1 second we put 30 frames. You can see from composition settings 30 frame per second. In 1 second 30 frames and in 2 seconds 60 frames. So these dots are total in 60. These are 60 dots. You can arrange them according to your ease. So in the ease in keyframe, these dots are arranged like this. From start the distance is high and at the end distance low to make the animation according to your desire. Next keyframe is ease out. You can select the keyframe, right click, keyframe assistant and click ease out. So you see the icon is absolutely reverse of this icon, ease in. So the function will be also be reverse. This circle was starting fast and ending low, but this circle will start slow and end fast. So we will play this animation and you can see the difference. You see, this circle starts slow. The end point is same because we set the second keyframe at 2 seconds, but the animation speed is different at different points. The next keyframe is ease. So you select this, right click keyframe and ease. This keyframe start the object fast, start the object slow. In the middle it move fast and in the end it is slow. So I will play this now. You see it start very slow. In the middle it start moving fast and at the end it stops slowly. So these are some major types of keyframes you can use according to your desire in the animation. The next is how to use graphs to smooth the animation. Graphs are used to customize these keyframes. For example, if I select this ease keyframe and click on this icon, graph editor, you can see this line. This is graph. You can change this. The more high the graph is, the more speed it is. So if you select this, you can see in start it is slow. Okay, because this graph start from low to high and then start low. That means from start it is showing the speed is slow, then increasing the speed, then slowing the speed again. You can customize this graph by dragging these yellow lines. For example, if you want the speed to start high and end slowly, so you choose this yellow line and drag it on the left side. So now you can see the graph is starting from high, and you can drag this here. Speed will be start from high and slowly it will be ended by slow animation. So let's start. See, in the start the speed is very high and in the end the speed is slow. You can change it again. You can start slow and finish the animation fast. See, you can see this. You can also animate like this. Most commonly we use this type of graph. Start slow, increase speed and end slow. These graphs are used to synchronize the animation according to your voiceover or to implement animation rules. So you can use graphs however you want. There are two types of graphs. This graph is called edit speed graph. You can also use edit value graph. Red graph is showing edit value graph. So the function is pretty much same, but we normally use edit speed graph. In the next video, we will talk about layer system in After Effects and transform properties of layers in After Effects. So see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.